Hi guys, and welcome to my weekly creative tips. I'm Axl Mulat. This video is not gonna be creative this week. I will share a tip on buying AdSense account if your site rejected for AdSense application. That really hurt because you did not meet the requirement on your site. That's why your application will be rejected. And if you really want a AdSense account, there have a alternative way to get it. Personally, I really don't recommend this way. Getting AdSense account in your own is a challenge on your self skills development, writing your own blog. Yeah, writing your own blog, learning SEO, and that's why you get a traffic and you get AdSense account in your own way. But if you really want to buy it, this is a way I will teach you on this video. And before that, subscribe to my YouTube channel to get video updates every Tuesday, every week. The question is, can you buy AdSense account? The answer is no and yes. No, you can't buy AdSense account directly to AdSense.com. And yes, you can buy AdSense account to the other people have a extra AdSense account. Me guys, I have actually my AdSense account is two. The one I use is for Axl Mulat, and I have an extra AdSense account from my sister, and that account is not used for 3 years ago, and I decided as my extra AdSense account, if actually I can sell it if I want, but I really don't sell. That's my own extra. If in case what will happen in the future, I don't know. Just I have a extra AdSense account. Okay, so if you really want, where these people guys, where to find other people have a extra AdSense account? Well, you can search it in Facebook. Go to your Facebook account and type AdSense account for sale or like that. And as you see guys, there have a result here on this keyword. Try to join on this group and find AdSense account for sale. And there have a pages, and there have a guys here, few guys listed selling their AdSense account. If you're interested in this account, just contact him. And as you see, Indian Fresh approved non-hosted AdSense account for sale, inbox me for the price. So we'll be talk about non-hosted AdSense account later on this video. And 10 months old, USA PIN verified. So 10 months old, USA PIN verified. If you buy an AdSense account, make sure that account is registered in your country. Don't buy AdSense account registered from other countries. Just make sure in your own country. Okay, so this guy selling a non-hosted AdSense account for different countries. Some other are PIN verified, some other are fresh. And yeah, just try to search on this keyword. And also you can try to search this AdSense for sale or AdSense account for sale. And yeah, there have results too on this keyword. Okay, we'll be talk about okay, let's back to the previous result. and we will be talk about the non-hosted AdSense account. There are two types on AdSense account, the hosted and non-hosted account. The hosted means the ads is hosted directly to the Google products such as YouTube channel and blogger.com. Hosted account, which means they apply the they apply to the AdSense via blogger.com or YouTube channel. If they get approved on that application, they get a hosted AdSense account, and that type on account, the ads will be displayed only on blogger.com or their YouTube channel. So that is the hosted AdSense account, and that type of AdSense account hosted, you can't use the ads to the other websites such as WordPress self-hosted site. Okay, that's the hosted account. The non-hosted account, which is you can use this type on ads in any websites, and also you can use on blogger.com too, and also you can use this on your YouTube channel. Okay, so if you buy a AdSense account, make sure it is a non-hosted AdSense account, because you can use this AdSense account on any different websites, different CMS like WordPress. Also, you can use it on blogger.com. Like I mentioned on the earlier video, personally, I really don't recommend this, and because getting your own AdSense account is a challenge to your self-development skills. If you write your own blog, of course, you'll be develop your blogging skills, your writing skills, and also practicing the SEO skills to get traffic. If you want to get your own AdSense account, I have a video here in my YouTube channel, Effective Google AdSense Account Requirements. So this is my personal tip when I apply on my site, which is axlmulat.com. I follow this requirement and I getting approved, so I get my own AdSense account. And of course, if you have a question, guys, about this buying AdSense account, just fill in the comment box section and I'll be response as soon as I can. And don't forget to subscribe on this YouTube channel to get useful videos every week, every Tuesday. And once again, my name is Axl Mulat. See you next Tuesday, guys. Bye for now.